Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange the UCL points that you can get in event of UCL in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So there are alternative way to get these UCL points, but before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from the game. Let's get started by tap the store button, tap the UCL group stage here. So in previous video I made best pack, starter pack, ultra pack, even chain pack, but there are alternative way to get the UCL point. This one, there are two way. This is one and this is two. So try the first one. You can get one UCL point by exchanging with 4 welcome point. So this one, if you have a welcome point that can be earned from chapter quest and store to exchange for reward in welcome to FC Mobile, you can exchange with 1 UCL point by 4 welcome point. And the second way, you can get 1 UCL point with this pass point. This can be earned from star pass to exchange for event tokens. So you have to play more, or you can top up to get this pass point. So one with one, you can exchange with 1 star pass, and you can get UCL point also 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.